Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, if you are the user of the CapCut, maybe you have overly felt this experience. For example, most of the time or mostly in the previous years ago, the facility or the tool that has been provided into this CapCut mostly are for free. For example, maybe the effect, filters, captions, and also the another tool was usually for free, or we didn't have to upgrade it into the pro version or buy the package. And after a lot of update in this version, so we can't deny that a lot of tools or effect over here has been changed by the time into the pro version, which is we need to pay or purchase their package. So that means that if we would like to create the advanced effect, it was in the previous time it was the effect or the another tool was for free, but now we need to pay some money to get more facility. So yeah, I feel you guys, but don't worry, because there is another alternative. If you would like to, let's say in particularly to has to create the subtitle or add the caption into your video content, so we can visit this Pipit AI. Why? Because this Pipit AI actually still one of the creation of the CapCut, as you can see here. So this Pipit AI is powered by the CapCut, so you still have the chance and also the facility to do the photo editing. So here I am accessing it with my PC, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email, guys. And initially they will give you this credit over here, and after that you can, if you would start it from the home page over here, so you just need to go to this video generator, and after that you can simply scroll down and click video editor. And after that, this will be the section that will allow you to do the photo editing, and you will see the media if you would like to add something into this section. And this is the caption that you can create the video with caption or subtitle for free, guys, don't worry. And after that you will have also the avatar to promote your product, and also adding the text, audio like this, and sound effect like this, and also the element and the quick cut. And for example, if we go to this caption, so you can click auto caption over here, and the first step that I have tried was adding the video into this section, like upload here. Kindly wait it until this video being uploaded into this section, and after that you can simply click caption and click this one, auto captions, or you can click this for the very first time view, and kindly wait for maybe 30 seconds until 1 minute, so the captions or the subtitle will be shown into this video.
Now we just need to fry them.
Yes, I love this part.
And also you can simply move the position of this caption or this subtitle wherever you want to show it, but at least it is also visible for the viewer. And also this one, and you can also do the editing. For example, if I click this text, and you can go to this section, let's say animation, and after that you can choose how this text will be shown into this video. For example,
Now we
this
just
one.
need to fry them.
Or I will move it to the top of this section to make it visible. And it will
Now we
show
just
like
need to
this.
fry them.
Isn't that cool, right? And after that you can continue to, let's say that the editing video is done, then you can click this export for video and you can choose to publish it or download it. Which one do you prefer? So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to use this Pipit AI to help you to do the editing or create the captions and another tool to create your video. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.